Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to fix a broken zipper. This is actually an easy separated zipper solution. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a zipper here, and this zipper works, but it was broken at one point, and I'm going to tell you how I ended up fixing it, how I solved the problem. But first, it's important to know how a zipper works. So basically, a zipper is just this little device right here, okay? This is actually called the pull on the zipper, this part here, but the zipper is this part right here, and how it works is it takes these two tracks full of these claws, basically, and when you bring the tracks together, it intertwines the tracks, okay, and that's what allows the zipper to zip up. So I'm trying to, like, it's easier to do this when I'm actually wearing the sweater. I'm trying to do it right now. I'll get it right now. But basically, when you bring the tracks together like that and you zip it up, you're actually allowing these tracks to interlock and stay together. That's how you get a nice firm zip. Now, sometimes a zipper becomes broken and it no longer zips properly, okay? It can get stuck, or it can actually, cause this to not zip together. So your tracks will always be separated. You can go up and down, back and forth, and the tracks will never go together. This tutorial is extremely useful for that situation. Now on the zipper, you actually have two boards. You have a top board and a bottom board, okay? So you have, top board and a bottom board right here, two separate boards, as you can see, with a gap between them. Eventually, when you've used the zipper many times for many years, okay, over and over again, especially if you're being rough with the zipper, these boards are going to become separated, and this gap that you see right here is going to be much bigger. What you need to do is close that gap. So all you need is a set of pliers. It's very helpful if you have a small set of pliers like I have right here, but even if you have a big set, you can do it. You want to take a look at the zipper and look for a side that has a bigger gap, okay? So let's just imagine that this gap was bigger than it was supposed to be, bigger than the other side, and this is the side that was causing the zipper not to work. You take your set of pliers, okay? All that you want to do, grab the top board and the bottom board, and just give a little bit of pressure, squish them together. So like literally just grab the top board and bottom board, squish them together, apply a little bit of pressure. That's it. It's going to close that gap, which will solve the problem, because then your zipper will actually work. It's going to allow both of the tracks on either side to interlock, and it will work just like this, okay? It's going to allow them to interlock, and you're going to have a nice fine zip just like that. If your zipper is broken, if your zipper is separated, if it's not working properly, this is definitely a method to use, okay? You want to, like I said, take your pliers, and you want to close the gap between the top board and the bottom board by just applying a little bit of pressure just like that. You want to squeeze together, not like a crazy amount. You still need a gap there. You don't want to close it all the way, but just squeeze it a little bit, try it out. If it doesn't work, squeeze it a bit more, try it out, and eventually it should work. You should have fixed your broken zipper. And that's it. This has been an easy solution for a separated zipper. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.